Okay, I got something here pretty cool to show you. I don't know, you might want to pick it up. It's called the BEDEE. That's kind of what it looks like there. And let me put my glasses on. It basically says that it's non-toxic, biodegradable, environmental friendly, no harm to the human body. 100% brand new, made from soft gum, which can work by being pressed onto surfaces that you would like to clean. Powerful, catches dirt and kills over much of the germs. Okay. Now this is not a toy, so keep it away from children. Don't give this stuff to children to play with. Once it turns non-transparent, throw it in your compost. It is biodegradable. Don't get it in your eyes. Keep away from sunlight. Okay. So this is like goop. And it's supposed to be really easy to open. So it's got this thing I pull. That was really easy. Well, looks like a Ziploc thing there. Okay. Extremely easy. I just squeeze it out. It's not sticking to my finger. Oh, okay. That did not stick to my finger. Look at that. You know. Now this stuff, you can use it to clean your vehicle, your cars. Okay. I'm supposed to just press it on here, and it cleans my keyboard. Gets between all the cracks and everything. It is pulling some. Oh, it pulled some hair out, some dust. Okay. All right. It does take the shape of the keys. I don't know if you can see that when I press on them. Well, that's kind of cool. So, oh yeah, that keyboard's clean now. That's really cool. So this works. So you can shove this inside, you know, the vents in your vehicle, in your cup holder, all that good stuff. It even came with this great plastic container. I mean, even once you're done using these, I think there's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there was 5 of them. I gave one to the wife to use for her car. So you can take this and use it in your vehicle, and when you're done, throw it away and clean your vehicle. And it was super affordable. This thing was cheap. Really cheap. And look, it's not sticking to my hands or anything, so it's not going to stick to anything. You know, don't matter what it is. You know, plastic in a car, whatever. It literally fills in. Now, there's a hole there. And it literally fills into that hole. You probably can't see it. I mean, I probably even clean my snake here. It's got all those little things on it. Oh, yeah. That'll take any dust off my snake. Okay, I've turned into a blobby cleaner now. That is cool, though. There was dust on this thing. Wow. Just use it over and over and over. I like it. So, I have a link in the bottom. You want to pick this up? Like I said, super cheap. Clean your car, man. Clean your keyboard. Keep things clean. It feels a little wet, but your hands, they're not sticky or anything. It feels a little wet, and then after it dries, it feels fine again. That thing's kind of cool. It really is. Like I said, I'll have a link at the bottom. You check it out. Get your car clean. Get your keyboard clean, or whatever else you have a hard time getting into. And it'll actually clean it for you. I like it. Catch you guys on the next one.